Wush by Ascension Glossary. The spirit of humility reduces our need for self-justification and allows us to admit to and learn from our mistakes or negative ego behaviors. Humility is the key to help us overcome many of these thought distortions which evolve into a host of ego defense mechanisms. True humility, because it is a spiritual virtue of the Christ, protects us from unconsciously giving our consent and power to the predator realm of negative ego thoughts. Once we give our consent and power away to the ego, we become a vessel of those lower-based forces which blocks our higher perception and spiritual communication. Because humility addresses our intrinsic self-worth and how that presents itself in our relationships and socialization in groups, as well as based upon our own personal perspective of self-worth, the spirit of humility is emphasized here in us as a part of our spiritual practice, as a moral teaching and an ethical study in the practice of the law of one. In the practice of the law of one, our daily commitment is to be of service to our spiritual service and highest purpose of expression. By choosing this and being humble, we are allowing the laws of divine order to govern our actions, thoughts, and behaviors rather than succumbing to the lower nature of human or man-made ego-based laws. The spirit of humility is the antidote to pride and self-importance.